Curious to know what we have been up to?
You probably know us as your go-to for all things business software. But what if we told you we are more than that?
Yes, we have something interesting brewing exclusively for startups.
Think actionable tips, game-changing insights, and advice from our experts, all tailored for your startups to thrive. It's knowledge beyond software.
Whether you're setting up your business or starting off with first 50 customers or aiming to take things to next level, we have got something for everyone.
From communication to research, marketing to sales, HR to legal, and even financial planning, we've got it all covered. We are here to support every aspect of your startup's software journey.
Sounds interesting, right? Stay tuned with us. There is so much more coming your way.
And hey, we are thrilled to have you on this journey with us. I think startups are going to love this.